Truck, rear windshield 3-piece installation. Before we begin installing, use tint solution to clean the window and surrounding areas from dust and grime. Squeegee away all liquid. Time to get your pre-cut window tint film out. Peel off the adhesive side from the protective liner. Immediately spray tint solution on the adhesive side, as well as plenty of tint solution on the first window. The tint solution will help in placing the tint film correctly onto the window. The tint film should go right over the dot matrix. Spray more tint solution on the tint film so you don't scratch the film when you are squeegeeing. Because of the flat glass, you will not need to heat shrink the tint film. Peel off the protective liner from the second film and apply tint solution on the adhesive side and window once again. Be generous with your tint solution as it'll help you align the tint film in place. Align the tint film properly so that the fitment is right over the dot matrix. Spray tint solution on tint film. This will make the squeegee glide across the film without scratching. Squeegee away all remaining liquid and bubbles to the closest edge. Remove the protective liner from the last tint film and spray the adhesive side with tint solution followed by the last window. Align the tint film properly so that the fitment is right over the dot matrix. Spray more tint solution on the tint film. Use squeegee to remove all bubbles and liquid to the closest edge. Repeat this process until all liquid and bubbles are removed. Wipe area dry with a microfiber cloth. We recommend leaving your truck out in the sun throughout the next few days to dry. Allow up to 6 days for window tint to fully cure. Installation complete. Thank you for watching.